The best Chewy chocolate chip oatmeal cookies. Prep time 10 minutes. Cook time 10 minutes. Yield 18 to 20 cookies. Description: grab a tall glass of milk and start dipping the best homemade soft-centered, chewy chocolate chip oatmeal cookies you will ever try. Ingredients: 1/2 cup softened butter, 1/3 cup granulated sugar, 1/2 cup packed brown sugar, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 3/4 cup all-purpose flour, 1 1/2 cups old-fashioned rolled oats, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, pinch of salt, 1 cup semi-sweet chocolate chips or less to taste. Instructions: preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. In a large bowl, cream together the butter, granulated sugar, and brown sugar using a stand mixer or an electric hand mixer. Add in the egg and vanilla and continue to beat until light and fluffy. Add in the flour, oats, baking soda and salt and beat on low until combined. Stir in the chocolate chips. Scoop dough into 1-inch balls and place onto a lined or ungreased cookie sheet 2 inches apart. Bake for 10 to 12 minutes until golden brown. Cool on a wire rack or eat right out of the oven.